Hey everyone, get in here. We're back. I know it's been a long time since our last video, so we want to give a huge shout out to all of you who have been sending us messages to get out another video and get out on another adventure. So here we are.
Alex and I are so excited. This is our first canoe trip of 2022 and we're so pumped to be in Algonquin Park.
So we've got some really big plans, exciting plans for this year, and we can't wait to share them all with you soon.
Yep, and this trip is really special to us. We've been this is our third year booking this route, but the last 2 years have been canceled with COVID. So it's really special to us to be going to the lake that we are, but more on that later.
In the meantime, let's get on with the adventure.
Oh, thank you.
With all of our gear loaded in the car and our canoe strapped to the roof the night before, we set our alarm for 4 a.m. in order to get up and beat the traffic on the way to Cache Lake Access 8 in Algonquin Provincial Park. Once there, we quickly unloaded, hopped in the canoe, and set across the lake in search of our first portage. First portage. Absolutely beautiful day. About 21 degrees out here right now. It is unbelievable for early May. It's crazy. How about some lunch?
Ready. Thank you.
Last night we made our pizza bagels, threw them in this bag. That's how we're carrying them.
They're delicious.
Absolutely. So it's 10 minutes to 12. Just finished the first portage, enjoying our lunch now. Oh my goodness.
It's perfect.
I think we skipped the spring. It went straight to summer. It smells like summer, it feels like summer. It must be 22, 23 degrees out here.
Yeah, easy.
Crazy. We're both sweating.
And this portage was ridiculous. 1,600 meters of gorgeous, flat forest.
Yeah, there were some really nice boardwalks, a few down trees, but they've all already been cleared. No complaints. So we're just gonna sit back and enjoy our pizza bagels while we stare at the lake. Well, just about 1 o'clock, made it across the second lake of the day onto the second portage. About 1,000 meters, about 1 kilometer long.
and it is smoking hot out here still. Luckily we have a bit of a cloud cover, so it's feeling a little cooler and there's a good breeze, but without that breeze, oh my goodness, it would not feel, or it does not feel like springtime at all. All set? I don't know if you, oh, there's moose poop. Hey, first moose poop. Right there.
Oh, fresh?
Ah, semi-fresh. Sounds funny to say. Was it fresh poo? All right, folks, it's 2:30. We are on our lake for the night. Just looking for our campsite now. We got one coming up here ahead of us. Looks like it could be a winner. Hopefully nobody's on it. I've seen quite a few people so far today. It's been kind of nice chatting with all the diehards that are out here. Oh, there's the marker.
Looking good.
Yeah, what do you think?
I think we should check it out.
It is so bright and so hot out here. I can feel my eyes leaking already just had to take my sunglasses off. Is that the big fire pit up there?
Yeah.
Whew.
Seating.
Nice rocky shore. This is what we're looking at right here. All right, we just turned around. Looks like a good campsite, so we're gonna find a spot to pull up and unload all this gear. Hey everyone, had a big day today. I don't actually know how far we went, but
I'm actually not sure. We didn't look that up.
did 3 portages, 2 that were over 1 kilometer long, so over 1,000 meters, and then a nice short one at the end. We ended up where we are. We've had it's been an absolutely gorgeous day.
Yeah, both of us can't get over the weather. It's the second weekend in May, and it's a high of 28. It's 28 out here today.
We're literally standing on the backside of the fire where all the rocks are, so we don't get heat off the fire while we make our dinner here. It's nuts. It's still about 26 degrees, and it's at 6:30 in the evening.
It's just wild. And even like I wasn't sure what to pack, and I packed a polar fleece long sleeve. I'm gonna use it as a pillow most likely.
Yeah. Even the water is about 19 degrees Celsius at the moment, like the top layer around our site here. It's crazy. We're just going to be sleeping on top of our sleeping bags in May. It's nuts. I wasn't expecting this.
No, we definitely weren't.
Absolutely beautiful. We totally lucked out with the day. There's a little bit of a breeze, which are keeping the gnats away. So far, we haven't really encountered any mosquitoes, which is
knock on wood.
Pretty awesome. So we're just gonna continue cooking our dinner here and then probably tuck in early for the night. We were up extremely early this morning. We got up around 4 a.m. We wanted to really beat that Toronto traffic, and it was totally worth it. So glad we got here so early to enjoy this absolutely stunning day. Catch you guys in the morning.
Look at all these bugs. The sky is just full.